Welcome back to Basin Motorsports for another riveting episode of the Enthusiast Toolbox. Now, we've already covered standard sockets and ratchets, so I won't go over those again. But let me point out in this episode the difference between the 6-point, which is pretty standard, and the 12-point. Did you know there's a 12-point socket? You should. Now, a lot of you guys are going to ask, why do I need a 12-point socket instead of the 6? Well, let me ask. How many times have you rounded off a 6-sided hex bolt? It's pretty common, isn't it? How many times have you rounded off a 12-point? I want to bet a lot of you have never rounded off a 12-point. Now, the big difference between a 6-point and a 12-point is contact surface, especially in the shape. The 6 itself, you know, has gradual corners. Obviously, there's 360 degrees in a corner. With a 6, there are 60 degrees. With a 12, there are 30 degrees. So the sharp point there offers you a lot more grip, and it has to do with surface area. The 12-point is going to offer you more surface area, and the shape of the points offers you more contact and more ability to apply torque. So a lot of times you're going to see things like ARP bolts on some fasteners have a 12-point head, and the reason is you need to be able to apply a good amount of torque and have a good amount of grip. A lot of times those are going to be ones that you're going to need a torque wrench on, and you need the accuracy of a 12-point. Now, the beauty of most 12-point sockets is in any combo set, you're going to get a few of them. Now, the 12 points are sold individually, or you can always go get a combo pack of the 12 points themselves and add those into your standard socket and ratchet set for an extra bit of when you need it. So as always, I will make sure I put a couple links down in the description for good, valuable tools you need to have in your toolbox as an enthusiast. Check those out, and always check the Amazon store of all the stuff I use here at Basin Motorsports. And that's it for this time. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and this is the Enthusiast Toolbox.